This is the AINKJET AJ-C360 Rotary UV Tumbler printer, the game changer for direct bottle printing. Start by measuring the bottle's printable area, both length and circumference. This helps set up your design size accurately. Create your design based on the bottle's size. Use high-resolution CMYK images and add 2 white spot layers plus 2 varnish spot layers for gloss effects. Export as a transparent TIFF file. Mount the bottle firmly on the rotary jig to ensure stable, even rotation during printing. Begin printing. The printer lays a white base coat, overlays the full color design, and finishes with varnish for a vibrant, lasting effect. UV light cures the ink instantly while printing, no extra drying time needed. Here's the result: high-quality, waterproof prints with vibrant color. Bring your bottle printing business to life with the AINKJET AJ-C360.